Okay, see this. This is our project for a 7 bedroom mansions. And here we are at the first steps of constructing it. See, this is my MK. Remember, it's a podcast channel dealing with an architect designs. And here we have our 7 bedroom mansion. Okay, this house we want it to come with a. Here we are. See, our designs country contains, and we are upgrading this house. You see, after some upgradings, as you can see, it looks like this. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how our creations looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So now we are going to finishing at the ground level. Let us put the staircases. See, this is the staircases. Remember, first I told you that this is an house consisting of 5 bedrooms, but also I told you that it consisting of 5 bedrooms, and we can see there are more bedrooms. So we have country that we can see later. Okay, so this is our staircases. Okay, our staircases. Okay, kitchen dinings we have. Okay, our house is on the process. You see, it is a mansion for a 7 bedroom house. It's a 7 bedroom house. These mansions. Okay, as I told you that we add more rooms. We increasing more rooms. Okay, I told you that we add more rooms, and here we have different balconies. See, as I told you that we have add more rooms. And the effect of that you can see here. Okay, see, it is a 5 bedroom mansion, and it is on the way. Okay, this is 5 bedroom, 7 bedroom mansions. Come with a lot of visions. Come with the 7 bedrooms, white kitchen, dinings, living rooms, 2 living rooms, counter area, gymming area, drinks area. Okay, it has a lot of vision. You can see it in a full view after completed. See, it's a small shape but fit in possessions. See this house? Okay, later with my podcast and reading as our plan is kindly complete. You see, this is an tour for a tour towards our house. That is a mansion house which come with a total of 7 bedrooms. You see, this house here, that country mansion house, come out with a total of 7 bedroom. Let's zoom it clear and let's zoom in forward and nearly see it. See, after zooming nearly, this is how it looks like in our full views after all completed projects. Okay, see, this is how it looks like. It's an mansions which come up with a total of 7 bedroom. Let us start here. Okay, see, okay, see how it looks like. That is how it looks like. Okay, these are the image. It looks like this. Okay, let us zoom closer. So this is our balcony. Okay, this is our balcony. As you can see, this is our balcony. The first main entry. We got a balcony. Okay, so let us start with the ground level as usual. And here we are. Okay, and here we are. This is our balcony, the ground level. See our balcony at this level. Okay, see here. Okay, this is how it looks like. And let us, this is our second door. Okay, this is a sliding door. Let us enter into the main entry. On the main entry, we got a living room. Quite a good looking living room. See, come with a lot of vision. You see that things outside. Okay, it come with a good. Here you can store your books. You see bookshelf. Okay, so here it is our living rooms, and the counter is alongside the staircases, which this staircase take us to the beginning of our house on the first floor. As you can see, this house has got 2 floor, first floor, second and second floor. So this staircase can take us to the first floor. We can see it later. Our first floor, dining alongside also our living area. You see it come with a good looking car. Our dining here. You see how it looks like. It's a good place for dining. Okay, our kitchen table here. This is our kitchen table. Okay, beside that we have our kitchen things. This is our kitchen sink alongside our window, and we have our kitchen here. See, we have our kitchen. So sorry for that. We have our kitchen here. Okay, see, it is our kitchen. Alongside this door here, it is our kitchen storage. Here, we can store our kitchen accessories and things to use on the kitchen. See, here it is our kitchen storage. Okay, that is this door. After this door, we have this pantry here. Our hallway. This hallway takes us up to this another hallway here where we find this door. This door is kind of small, our small storage. Here you can store your hammer. Okay, things to do with whether electricians, plumbing, or something else. You can store your accessories here, includes or hangers, shape. Okay, those you can store here. Hammer, screwdriver, tester, okay, things like that. And this is our pantry. And this pantry takes here. Here we got another hallway. Okay, alongside we got bathroom. See, this is our bathroom, first bathroom, because at the ground level there is currently two bathrooms. See, and this door here you can access bathroom at this side and this side. See, here it is clothes changing. Okay, and this is our another bathroom. At the ground level we have a total of two bathrooms, and here we have our first bedroom. Remember, it an house consisting of 7 bedrooms, and here this is our first bedroom, kindly huge one. You see, our second one. Okay, this is our second bedroom. Remember, this is our tour towards a house consisting of 7 bedrooms. So this is our another bedroom, which is our second bedroom, and then we have our last bedroom on the ground floor. So on the ground floor, this house has got a total of 3 bedrooms. Okay, on the ground level, we come with a total of 3 bedrooms. Okay, you see, this is our aquarium stage. Okay, and let us go and see the first floor. Okay, let us climb our stairs. Okay, which have decided to work with us and take us to the first floor of our house. That's the mansion for today. And here we are. Okay, after climbing the staircase, we can finally reach here. Here there is a small office here. Okay, here person can work, reading books, use laptop, social media, etc. And this is our balcony. See, this is our first balcony on this house. Okay, after that, we take the hallway. With the hallways, we can find this pathway, and this pathway takes us to this another hallway. Okay, see, this hallway have access to many doors. Currently, it comes with access to the 5 doors, and as usual, this is our another bathroom. Okay, this is our another bathroom, currently huge one, and let us explore. And this is our 4 bedroom. This is the fourth bedroom of our house, which is on the first floor, and this is our 5 bedroom. See, five. Our 5 bedroom. You see how it looks like. Which one? And this is our sixth bedroom. Okay, see our sixth bedroom also huge one, and we are here to this last bedroom, which is our 7 bedroom, and it is the owner of the house or the rooms for the one who pays the rent. See, and here this is a closet area. Okay, and this is bathroom. It is a huge bathrooms. Okay, see, come with a jacuzzi, and this is our main bedroom. This is our main bedroom. See how it looks like. It comes with a sofa set, living area, a huge bed. See, a huge bed. See, with the brand name Miami. Kiddie bed. A small office or working place. See, this is our small working place. Dressing table at this, and this door access to this balcony. You see, this rooms, it has access to this balcony. It has access to this balcony. Okay, and when we take us back to this area, we can find another staircase which take us to our last floor of this house. You see these staircases? Okay, let us climb it. It is our staircases can take us to the beginning of this house. Let us climb it, as you can see. Okay, After finishing climb it, we can see our last floor where we get another living rooms and accessing to the balcony. Oh no. And here we are. See, and here we are. This is our another living room. See, it come with the 2 living room, and this is our another living room. Okay, this is our another living room. Okay, our another living room, which has, you see this door, this can come here to this balcony, our huge balcony where all people on the house can access, see and see the beauty and the views of the environment by accessing to this balcony. Okay, after that we have this hallway, which is hallway access to the washing area here. It has access to washing area. This is a laundry area, our laundry area here, which come with this office. You see there is an office here where a person can work from home. This is our office, and alongside we have bathrooms, the bathrooms and the gymming area. This is a gymming area. Here people can work out. You see, this is a gymming area. Also, you can use as a room is up to you. You can make this house have more rooms. Okay, it's up to you. And here it is our chilling area. Here you can chill at night. Okay, make a laundry here, dry your clothes here. It's up to you. So this is how it looks like in the full view, and this is our top of our buildings. At our tops of our buildings, it looks like this. So this is my empty podcast channel dealing with architect design. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. You see, this is a tour to our full 7-bedroom mansion. Okay.